Hi, if you want more great content like this, please like this video, subscribe on my channel and click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Almost 80% of people are not subscribed on my channel, so please subscribe. Sorry for my look, I just get up and it's almost 2 o'clock, so subscribe.
And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on the Rocco Boy channel. Today I will show you how to do deep cleaning of your car at your home. First, I will vacuum clean driver's seat and floor. I'm using a couple types of attachments so I can reach all parts behind my seat. As you can see, pedals for gas and brakes are so dirty, so I have foam which will clean all plastic in my car. Procedure is simple, just add foam, wait couple minutes, then use brush to spread everything around, and after that use wet towel and clean everything. About floors and carpet, I have simple solution. Just add foam for this, use brush to spread everything around, wait couple minutes and vacuum clean everything. I'm using the same foam for my seats. Same procedure and amazing results. If you deep cleaning your car, you definitely need to clean those metal parts under the seats. And now, as you can see, I'm cleaning these cup holders. I'm using clean towel and spray for cleaning glass and plastics. The same procedure when we cleaning doors. As you can see, the car looks beautiful now. So I have foam for plastics, I have foam for seats in car and everything, but this is something new. Foam for cleaning glass, for windows and stuff like that. I'm using this thing in my house for windows, and I think it will be a great thing for car, so let's try it. Okay, that will be it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, to click on this bell so you'll always get notification when I upload something new. And also like this video and share it with your friends. Till next time, see you.